since we can receive leads in many ways. In fact, there's a whole marketing module where we can create email campaigns, we can create SMS campaigns. We have campaigns of types, for example, of social networks where we can integrate Facebook, we can integrate Instagram, we can also integrate Google, and we can also integrate WhatsApp. Then we can create campaigns on any of those networks and we can receive those leads. Of course, we can also create a lead from a form or from an email that reaches us. So we can have different leads or different forms that we can put on different web pages or in a created with the product, with the country, with the number of fields we need, already associated with Excelit. Because we created the form, they fill out the form with the information we need in the fields. We need it, and a new lead is automatically created. So we have this whole full campaign module. Once the lead is created, in this case, for example, we have these leads. We can always filter the information. Right now I'm seeing the leads, right? In this case, everyone, but I can also see only my leads, for example, that are associated with me. Then we can also, from the leads, get more information, for example here. But when I walk in, I see that there have been several interactions with the lead, whether it's email, phone, or comments that have been left here with other people within the organization. I have the AI that also allows me to make a summary of everything that has happened with the lead and all the information. Because apart from all the information I have received, I also have tasks, activities, and all the information I need. So here I can directly create an email. In fact, I'm going to go to a contact who has more information. So I can use the AI and give me more information about that contact here. I have not only interactions, but I have also performed tasks. I've attached documents, I have campaigns associated with it, I have a lot of information associated with this lead. So if I come to the AI and tell it to give me the summary, it's going to give me a lot more information than the other lead that I had only contacted once and had just arrived. Here you give me not only the information, but also who is involved with this lead, what are the activities that have been carried out. And from here, I can then create a task or create a new email directly from here. And it's going to help me create the email based on the information that you have from this contact. We have marketing campaigns. I can create, for example, email campaigns, and I make the templates directly from. It's not predefined, but I can edit it as I need. And then pull up the reports of how many people clicked, right? How many emails from this campaign were sent? How many people opened the email? How many clicked on it? And then how many of them actually became a lead or a deal? And I can pull all of those reports directly from here.